Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I am back with another luxury on a budget video. This one is in collaboration with OG Bags. They are an online website that specializes in high quality rep bags, so they got everything on there for the low, and you can get some really good quality bags at a fraction of the price of going into like a real actual store and getting the bag for like thousands of dollars. So I worked with them before. Love the quality of their bags. Let me go ahead and just show you guys what I got. So I picked out the Louis Vuitton Alma BB, and this is actually going to be a gift for my sister because I know she's been wanting this bag. So I was like, let me get her this because, you know, Christmas and her birthday is very close together. And if you guys know people's birthday and Christmas is close together, it's kind of like, oh my God. So anyways, it comes in the Louis Vuitton box. Super, super pretty. You know, you get your nice packaging. And then it comes with like an invoice. Comes with, you know. Also included is a dust bag. Love that they added that touch. I already opened this up, guys, and it's so cute. So it's the Alma BB. Is this not cute? And it's in the Damier Ebene print. This is really a cute bag. I have the Damier Ebene Neverfull, and I love it. And I thought this was so cute. It really is a cute bag. I see why she likes it. She hasn't seen it yet, of course. But yeah, guys. And this is the print she wanted it in. The handles feel nice and sturdy, like really sturdy. The bag itself looks pretty good condition to me. The color, I feel like the color was a little lighter than my real one, but I don't know if this is the kind of construction where it'll darken, but it looks close enough. Like if you put it next to a real one, I feel like it blends in with the real collection. You get me? And then also the stitching was close to the color of the stitching on my real Louis Vuitton Neverfull. So I feel like they did a pretty good job with the color of the bag and the stitching of the bag as well. And it has the gold hardware. It has Louis Vuitton up close. So I guess this is the front. Side. Back. Other side. The bottom, it does have the feet on here, and then up close does have the LV detailing on the actual bag and the LV on the actual, okay, my camera cut off, but it also has the LV detailing on the actual like clasps. So pull it down like that. We're gonna go ahead and open her up. So cute. Has the red interior, and I feel like it has a good enough space for her to put items in. Comes with this little pocket back there, so you have that, and that's pretty much the purse. You can wear it in two different ways, so I really like that. It does include straps like the real one, so you can carry it regular, or you can add the straps that came with the bag and wear it crossbody. I'll probably insert some like pictures of what it's like crossbody, but because like I said, I'm giving it as a gift, so I don't want to completely ruin it and just open up everything. But this is the strap, and it does have like the LV detail on it. The quality of the strap feels really good too. Like they did good. So what you do is you just, these two sides, so this is different from this. So this side is where you'll put this clasp, and then you'll put it on that side as well, and you'll be able to wear it as a crossbody. So I love that this purse gives the option. And also it does come with the little I don't know what Louis calls this, but you guys ever see this on the front of people's bags? This little tag. And then it has the little strap for it as well. So this is the strap, and you like loop it through, and then you can put it on the front of your bag if you want to. And then also it does come with like the little key lock, because some people like to lock their Louis Vuitton bags, because at the end of the day, the history of Louis Vuitton was like, it was like luggage. So it does come with a LV lock that'll focus in, and some keys. So I thought that was really, really cool. I like that they pay attention to detail and like include everything that you would get as if you were going to the actual Louis Vuitton store. And then it just has, you know, even more little detailed items that come with it. And then also, if you wanted to, has an LV bag. Because some people, you know, they like to put the bags and stuff, hang it in their closet or put it under the Christmas tree, but it'll probably be past Christmas when you guys finally see this video. But yeah, like some people like to put like designer items under the tree and just have it out, but I don't want to drop any hints, so I don't think I'm going to put it under the tree, because I feel like it would be obvious what it is, because she knows I know that she likes this bag, so I don't want to put it under the tree and make it obvious that I got her this bag. So this bag will not be under the tree just flat out with the Louis Vuitton label. It will of course have it like wrapped up. But you guys, this bag is so freaking cute. I low-key want me one now. Like, this is such a cute little bag, but this bag definitely fits her style because she likes the whole classy look, and this bag screams classy. And I see a lot of girls bringing this bag back in style, the Alma BB. So yeah, OG Bags got y'all if y'all are looking for this bag. Super, super good quality. Feels just like how a real LV feels. So yeah, and if you guys didn't know, Louis Vuitton was like my first love when it came to designer bags. So get y'all one. Make sure you guys comment down below what you guys think of this bag. And like I said, I'm so glad it comes with like a dust bag. I love that they give you everything that you need, you know, like for a real quality shopper experience. And I love that it came with a strap so that you have the option of putting it on crossbody if you wanted to. All that is very important for details. So yeah guys, make sure you comment down below what y'all think, because I think this is so cute. And you guys know this kind of stuff makes amazing gifts too. If you have somebody that doesn't mind that it's a rep, then you're good to go. So super, super cute. I love this. And I love that you can pull the strings through and like on the box and carry it if you wanted to. Show y'all. I think you can kind of see that right there. So cute. So yeah, make sure y'all give this as a gift. And yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.